Hey everyone, I am happy to say that we officially opened free for everyone Birbal Traders official Discord server. And yes, you heard me right, it's free for everyone. Whether you're a BBT member or not a BBT member, you can join this server, you can invite your friends and talk with a lot of experienced traders who've been trading for years and years, and even with some new traders. So if you're a new trader, don't think that this will be too complicated for you or you'll not be able to make use of this server. I think it will suit all stages from beginners to advanced. And today I'm going to talk to you about how you can join this server, how can you make the best use of it. Now, I know that despite Discord being so popular, not everyone here uses it or knows how to get it. Therefore, before going into the details, let me show you how you can get into Discord in less than a minute. If you already have a Discord server, forward this for a minute and continue watching. Now that you have verified your Discord email and have everything set, all you need to do is go to birbaltraders.com, go Discord and enter. I'll have this link posted pinned in the first comment, so you can use this one to join the server. Now you'll get this message: join Birbal Traders official server, and that's the first screen you are going to see when you are joining the server. Let me get this straight. Okay, perfect. So the get started welcome channel, useful bot commands, some roles, and day trading chat. You definitely need to start from here. Make sure you know what you can use or what you can find on each channel around here. The information gets you familiar with some bot commands, and I'm going to show you how they can be used. Roles, in case you don't want to miss any video or any live streams we're doing on YouTube, you can get a role and you'll get pinged every time we're going live or every time we're uploading a YouTube video. Announcements, watchlist. On watchlist you can find moderators watchlist every single day, and this is our moderators today's watchlist. Members testimonials, upcoming events, YouTube videos, BBT news, and YouTube live. This is the main channel you are going to use, the discussion channel, and you can find it down here. There it is, the discussion channel. Day trading chat, where you are going to be interacting with a lot of day traders. Support, in case you need any help off topic. It's preferable to use the bot commands in the off topic, or maybe if you want to talk about anything, your hobbies, any other topic, just use the off topic chat. Futures, forex, options, and swing trading. Make sure to check our rules and the disclaimer. So day trading chat, as I said, just you could interact with other day traders, look at their trades, they're explaining it, and basically that'll be it. Spanish chat, support, off topic, and yeah, look at these guys. This is actually, I love this one. The information, bot commands, there are a lot more commands than this, but basically those are the ones I'm enjoying the most. You can do, for example, look at this, pop, and this will show you all the popular stocks for the day. Takes seconds to load. You can see some members already using some commands. C3 QCOM, it shows you a chart for QCOM. Basically, if you are changing the number from C3 to C2, for example, it will be another chart from another maybe source right there. But basically, you can see the charts, you can see the most popular stocks for the day. Balance sheet, this will show you the balance sheet for any ticker you're having, and I think this is really useful for swing tradings or something like that. It seems that the bot lagged, or maybe my internet disconnected. Anyway, I could show you this command previously used, pop and it will show the most popular stocks for the day so that you don't miss anything. And yeah, by the way, this is really useful around here, the strategies category, and this one is the best, and we'll be building it for, I don't know, months and years. You can find a lot of strategies we're using in BBT. We're still updating it. There will be a short video consisting of 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes sometimes, on how to use the strategy in general, and then there will be a lot of screenshots of possible trades or possible places to take these trades from, and maybe we'll share also some of our trades with explanations on how to take those. So basically what you can do around here is build a huge database of strategy you want to main, look at a lot of different trades and different scenarios those strategies could have been executed, and then practice them in the market replay, in the live market, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, that will be it. I don't want this to be so long. If you have any questions, feel free to put it down there in the comments, and looking forward to having you there. Have a good day everyone, and bye bye.